SWIFT payment system. Interview questions and answers. Questions on SWIFT fundamentals. What does SWIFT stand for? Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It is a secure messaging network used by financial institutions to transmit payment instructions. Does SWIFT transfer money directly? No. SWIFT only transmits standardized messages. Actual fund movement happens through correspondent banks' Vostro accounts. What is a SWIFT code, BIC? A unique identifier for banks, consisting of 8 to 11 characters, used to route messages correctly. What is the difference between SWIFT and SEPA? SWIFT Global supports multiple currencies, slower, higher fees. SEPA European Union, Euro only, faster, cheaper. What is an MT message? Message type, format used in SWIFT. Each MT code, e.g., MT103, MT202, serves a specific purpose. Questions on SWIFT message types. Explain MT103. Customer credit transfer message used for cross-border payments. Contains sender, beneficiary, amount, and charges. Explain MT202. Bank-to-bank transfer message used for settlement between institutions. What is MT202 COV? A cover payment message linking MT103 customer transfers with interbank settlement, ensuring transparency. What is MT940? End-of-day account statement message for reconciliation. What is MT799? Free format message used for pre-advice or general communication. Questions on SWIFT process and flow. Describe the SWIFT payment flow. Senders bank SWIFT message correspondent banks, if needed, recipients bank. Beneficiary account credited. What is a Nostro account? Our money in your bank. An account a bank holds in a foreign bank in that currency. What is a Vostro account? Your money in our bank. An account a foreign bank holds with a domestic bank. What is a UTR, unique transaction reference? A unique identifier used to track SWIFT transactions. How long does a SWIFT transfer take? Typically 1 to 5 business days depending on intermediaries and compliance checks. Questions on SWIFT, compliance and security. How does SWIFT ensure security? Through encryption, authentication, and secure network protocols. What is AML in SWIFT payments? Anti-money laundering checks performed by banks before processing transfers. What are sanctions screening checks? Ensuring transactions do not involve sanctioned individuals, entities, or countries. What was the SWIFT Bangladesh bank incident? A 2016 cyber attack where hackers exploited vulnerabilities in SWIFT-connected systems to attempt fraudulent transfers. How does SWIFT-Net differ from traditional SWIFT? SWIFT-Net is the newer, IP-based secure messaging platform replacing older protocols. SWIFT practical and scenario-based questions. What happens if a SWIFT code is incorrect? The payment may be delayed, rejected, or routed incorrectly. How are SWIFT fees structured? Sending bank, intermediary banks, and receiving bank may all charge fees. What is the role of correspondent banks in SWIFT transfers? They act as intermediaries when two banks don't have a direct relationship. What is ISO 20022 in SWIFT? A modern messaging standard being adopted to replace MT messages, offering richer data and interoperability. Why is SWIFT critical to global finance? It provides standardized, secure communication enabling international trade, investment, and settlement flows. Join our payments domain training https://wa.me/9198100557344 www.qbi.in